Hey guys, it's Gina. If somebody hasn't told you about these Zevo bug catcher traps, whatever you want to call them, you are missing out. So just to explain really quickly, in case you haven't seen them, this plugs into your wall. As you see right here behind me, I have one plugged in. And when you plug it in, it has a blue light that lights up. And at night, I'm sure it helps during the day too, but mostly I notice it really at night. When I've turned my lights off for the night, the bugs go to the light, right? Go to the light. And it literally traps the most crazy things. I will show you kind of a close-up. This one's just been up for a couple of days. There's lots of gnats on there. There's some kind of, I don't even know what kind of bug. But the craziest critter that I have caught, and I've caught a few of them, but I've had a bee problem in my house here in Texas, and it actually caught a bee that was in my house. It's actually not a bee, it's a wasp, but it actually caught a wasp on my trap. And I've had as many as, I want to say at one time, 6, maybe 8 red wasp and paper wasp flying in my house. And we've not been able to figure out where they're coming in from. And this has actually trapped several of them. I have a child that is allergic to them, so we have to make sure we keep them out of the house. But these things are amazing. So the back of them is just super sticky. These are refillable. This is your standard cartridge. Then when it kind of fills up with sticky space, you just pull it out, throw it in the trash, and pop in another one. Plug it in, and then like I said, when the lights turn out, you really notice that blue light a lot more. I'll turn the lights out really quick and let you see it a little bit brighter. You see how the blue light comes on? So the blue light's always there, as you can see now, but when you have the lights off, it really lights up and attracts those bugs to it. So like I say, it's working 24 hours a day, but I really find at night is probably when the magic time happens. Here is a close-up view of some of the little critters that have been caught in my traps. This has just been from the last week or so. And I know that when summer strikes and the insects are more active, these things trap lots of unwanted pests. Highly recommend. Again, you're going to find knockoffs out there, but I have found Zevo has the stickiest inserts that I have found. I've tried others, but I keep coming back to the brand name ones. Definitely want to check these out. Highly recommended.